Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to prove the famous Pythagoras theorem step by step. First, let us look at our main right-angled triangle. ABC, where the corner angle B is exactly 90 degrees. Next, for our construction, let us draw a straight perpendicular line from vertex B down to the hypotenuse and label this new point D. The core theorem states that in any right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So what is given to us initially is triangle ABC, where angle ABC is 90 degrees. And remember our construction made line BD perpendicular to the hypotenuse side AC. We need to prove that AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. Let us highlight the big master hypotenuse, side AC, right here on the diagram. Now for step 1, by the property of similarity, our main big triangle is similar to both of the smaller inner triangles. Let us look at the huge master triangle ABC. Now check out the top inner split triangle ADB. And lastly, let us see the bottom inner triangle BDC. Step 2, let us compare the master triangle ABC with the top small triangle ADB. Since they are similar, the ratios of their corresponding sides must be equal, so let us trace each part. Let us look at side AB of the large triangle. Compare it to side AD of the smaller triangle. Now see the primary master hypotenuse side AC. And match it against the smaller triangle hypotenuse side AB again. Now if we cross-multiply diagonally across these fractions, we get our first equation stating that AB squared equals AD times AC, which we will label as equation 1. Step 3, let us do the exact same thing with the master triangle ABC and the lower small triangle BDC. Let us set up the matching side ratios for these two shapes and trace each corresponding segment. Let us highlight sideline segment BC on the main diagram. Compare that with the lower base segment piece DC. Bring back our attention to the full master hypotenuse side AC. And finish the ratio with side BC of the lower inner triangle. Just like step 2, let us execute another diagonal cross multiplication on these terms. This gives us our second equation stating that BC squared equals DC times AC, which we will label as equation 2. We are almost there. Now let us add equation 1 and equation 2 together to combine our results. Notice that side AC is present in both terms. So let us factor out that common side AC. Look inside the parentheses where we have segment AD plus segment DC. And let us see what that looks like on our diagram. See that segment AD plus segment DC merges perfectly to form the entire master line AC. And finally, multiplying side AC by itself simplifies directly into AC squared. The derivation is complete, and we have successfully proven the theorem of Pythagoras. If this math animation made geometry clear and easy to understand, please remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumb up, and share it with your friends.